Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear student, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfad. Today we are going to discuss how to find out the probability which is related to the playing cards. One question here, a card is drawn from a deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that it is a diamond card? Before finding the solution of this question, first we are going to explain the distribution, denomination of the playing cards. There are total 52 cards there. There are total 52 playing cards there, in which 26 cards are called red cards because their border is red, and 26 cards are black because their border is black. It's mean from 52 cards there are two distributions there. Number one, the 26 cards are the red cards and 26 cards are the black cards. Now from 26 cards there are 13 cards are called diamond card. Their color is red and there is a diamond. That is why these cards are called diamond card. So there are 13 diamond cards and 13 heart card because there is heart on the card, but the color is red. So it's mean from 26 red cards there are 13 diamond cards and there are 13 heart cards. Now here 26 black cards these are spade card, a leaf is on the card there. 13 cards are called spade card, just like the leaf is there on the card. Color is black. 13 cards are called spade card and 13 cards are called club card. The picture of tree is on the card there. So these are total 52 cards there, in which 26 cards are red and 26 cards are black, in which from 26 red cards there are 13 diamond cards and 13 heart cards. The color is red and here the diamond picture is there and the heart picture is there. There are 26 black cards, in which 13 cards are called spade card. There is a leaf on the card. And there are 13 cards, their color is black and the picture is tree on the card there. And what are the cards here? A, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 13 cards. A, it is also called ace card. 2 to 10, there is a counting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. King, queen and jack. So these are 13 cards. Total these 13 card set will be here, same as here and same as here. It means this set is 4 times here. That means every card is 4 times. if we are going to say that how many kings are there? There are 4 kings. How many queen? There are 4 queens. How many 5? There are 4 fives. How many red king? There are 2 red king. 1 king with the picture diamond and another one with the heart picture is there. So it's mean every card is 4 times. So A 2 to 10 these are the cards, king, queen and jack. If we are going to find out the probability there which is related to the playing cards, this map should be in our mind, then we can easily find out the probability there. Now come to the question here and focus this map and your mind when we are going to find out the probability which is related to the playing cards. Now come to the question here. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that it is a diamond card? So first we have to write down the sample space here. N combination R. So here total cards are 52 and we are going to draw a 1 card there. So this is 52 combination 1, it is 52. So here 52 cards, this is the sample space. Now the event is, let's suppose that this is a diamond card. The probability in which we are going to find out here a diamond card. So how many diamond card here? There are 13 diamond card. So that means N combination 1. So this is 13 combination 1. So this is 13. So what was the formula to find out the simple probability there? The probability of an event, that is A, number of elements in event divided by the number of elements in sample space. So here that is 13 over 52. The number of elements in event is 13 and the number of elements in sample space is 52. 13 fours are. So this is the probability of getting a diamond card. A diamond card. Now we are going to find out the another question here. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that it is a picture card? Face card. Now again focus on the map here. Again focus the map here. There is total 52 cards here and we have discussed this map here. There are 4 king, 4 queen and 4 jack. These cards are called face card or picture card because there is a face on the card there. And there are the 4 king there, 4 queen there and 4 jack there. So total is 12. That means there are 12 face card there. So here, now come to the question again. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that it is a picture card or the face card? So here, a card is going to draw. So the sample space is N combination 1 or combination R. Total cards are 52. One card is going to be drawn. So 52 combination 1, it will be 52. The event is face card or the picture card. How many total face card here? There are 12 face card. So this is 12 combination 1 because one card is going to be drawn here. So this is 12 combination 1. So the probability will be here. Probability will be here, the number, the simple formula of the probability, the number of elements in event divided by the number of elements in sample space. So this is number of elements in A is 12. The number of elements in sample space is 52. So just we have to simplify this. We will get the answer. The probability of the face card. Dear students, thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Irfan. Allah Hafiz.